Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have an IFAM rookie. So yeah, this is an IFAM model I didn't know existed until recently. It's very cool though, isn't it? I like the shape of this. It's quite an interesting shape. It's clearly a motorcycle brake disc lock. Just says it's a zinc alloy body, dimple lock key, drill resistant, etc, etc. So nothing too exciting there, but yeah, it's just a very pleasing looking lock. I just really like the shape of this one. It is a smiley dimple. I don't know why they chose this. IFAM do a range of dimple locks. Why this configuration? I couldn't tell you. But anyway, let's try and get this in a vise. I think I might have to sort of clamp it like that from one of these lugs. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let me get a vise and give it a pick. Okay, so we're in the vise. Where's that key gone? Here it is. We've got very nice bitting, very high cuts in pin positions 1 and 2, very low 3, high 4, and a very, very low 5. So I've got to be careful of that. Be almost like a zero lift pin. Seems to work fine. Going to use a flat flag, I think, on this one, and pop in some tension. And we're going to go in pin 1, 2, 3, 4's now binding, and 5. Back to the front, 1, 2, 3, anything on 4? No, back to the front again. So let's try 1, 2 little click, 3 little click, 4 little click, and 5 tiny movements. So 1, 2 little click, 3 something, 4 tiny movement. So back to the front again, 1. Feel that 2's got something there. 2, and we are open. There we go. So you've got to be. It's a weird one. This one. It can be fiddly to pick. I don't know particularly why, but yeah, just need to sort of take your time. It's also to do with the tension, I think, and sometimes this lock, can't gut this one, when it's, how do I lock it? Yeah, so sometimes when you put the key in, you don't get it in just right, so bear that in mind when you're tensioning. That key is completely in, I can't turn it. So if you're not getting tension, push in and it should sort of free up. But sometimes it can sort of, I don't know what it's locking on, but it can sort of, yeah, I found that when you're tensioning it sometimes, the key's in all the way, can't, and it just seems to just hang up a little bit, and yeah, it's strange, but yeah, it's an interesting lock anyway. So that is the IFAM Rookie. Cool little lock. Hope you like that. If you did, leave a like. Any comments, leave them below. I reply to as many as I can, but I do read them all. And if you haven't subscribed, now's a good time to subscribe to see more content like this, and I'll see you all next time.